Today, we are going to see the contra entry and the problem on the contra entry. What is the contra entry and some transactions regarding the contra entry using the Tally ERP 9 software. So in the general sense of accounting, we use the contra entry in these 4 situations. Cash account to bank account. Cash account to bank account. Bank account to cash account. So this is vice versa to the first one. Cash account to bank account to cash account, and bank account to bank account, and cash account to cash account. Very easy to remember. See, cash account to bank account to cash account, bank to bank, cash to cash. In these 4 situations, we use the contra entry. Okay, so see, before we define contra voucher, let me tell you that this is something we deal day in and out. See, did you withdraw cash from ATM? Have you visited your bank and deposited cash into the account? Did you transfer money from one bank to the other accounts or other bank accounts? So just now we have seen that there are 4 contra entries. Yes, these are. So depositing the cash in the bank, withdrawing the cash from the bank, and taking the transferring the cash, transferring the balance from one bank to another bank account and one cash account to another cash account. Yes. For this, we need a problem, and we shall, yes, we shall go to the Tally. Yes. And now this is the Tally, and we shall take a problem. So the problem is here. We shall take the problem. Yes. Yes. Anushka started the business with 25 lakh rupees. Cash deposited in SBI rupees 20 lakhs. Payment of salaries through bank rupees 35,000. cash withdrawn from the bank for business purpose, rupees 42,000. This is these four are the transactions which are happened in our business. See, Anushka started the business with rupees 25 lakhs, cash deposited in SBI 20 lakhs, payment salaries through bank 35,000, cash withdrawn from the bank of business purpose 42,000. Yes. So first step is creation on the name of Anushka and Company Limited. Anushka and Company Limited. So after that, creation of the ledgers. Anushka is the owner of the business. So she is bringing the capital into the firm. So her name should be saved as a capital account. This is okay. Anushka is the owner and should be saved under capital. She is bringing the capital. And the second one is cash deposited in SBI. So in this, cash is there and SBI is there. So cash, already we have learned in the previous classes that cash is existed, cash ledger is existed by default in the software. So we need not to create the cash ledger in the tally. And another ledger, another one is SBI that should be created. SBI account, bank, SBI bank. This is a bank account, should be saved under bank account. And payment salaries through bank. So first here, salaries or indirect expenses. Payments, salaries through bank account. So in this payment of salaries are created, or should be created under indirect expenses and through bank. So already bank account is created here. And cash withdrawn from the bank for business purpose. So cash is existed by default. The bank already created. Yes. So now we are going to create the ledger. Tally, accounting information, ledgers, single ledger, Anushka, enter capital account. See carefully, capital account. Enter. No. Before going to that, we have to create another company. We have forgotten. So the first step is creation of the company. So F3, create a company. Here Anushka and company limited. Enter. Telangana, enter, like this. Yes. Accept. Yes, sir. Over. Next, company creation is over. See, it is highlighted. Now, escape. Now you should go to accounting information. Creation of ledgers. Create single ledger. Now Anushka is the owner of the company. So saved under capital account. So this is a list of the groups we should see very carefully and should be saved our account under correct ledger. Correct ledger. So Anushka is the owner, so capital account. Enter, enter. Yes, sir. The next one is Anushka is created and SBI account under bank account. SBI account under bank. So SBI account under bank account. So this is bank account. Over. Next, fourth one is salaries, indirect expenses. Salaries are the indirect expenses because we have paid salaries to other employees in our company. So simply salaries paid. So indirect expenses, enter. Or escape. Okay. Now we have created the ledgers and also create the inventory information. That is first units of measure, create number. Okay, enter. Yes, escape. Now units are created and items, stock items, create computers. Enter. Oh, no. Back. Yes, this is in numbers. Not applicable. No, this is in numbers. So shall go. Enter. And numbers. Again, laptops. Enter. Numbers. Or the items with which we do the business should be created. That may be sugar, that may be talcum powder, that may be computers, that may be printers, whatever the stock it may be, that should be entered and created in this. So ledger's creation is forward. Yes. Accounting information, inventory information is also over. Now we are going to see the accounting vouchers. Accounting vouchers. See, this is first one. Anushka started the business with rupees 25 lakhs. Anushka capital account. So we have to enter now in the vouchering. The amount should be entered in the vouchering. Yes. See here. The proprietor has brought the cash into the firm. So that is a cash receipt. So F6, alt F6. F6, not alt, but F6. So it is a receipt cash. So should enter the, escape. Receipt cash from Anushka, amount 25. Yes, enter. See, it is received from Anushka. Enter. So narration is common, being the capital is brought. Yes. Yes, saved. First one is saved. Now the second one is cash deposited in SBI. Cash deposited in SBI. This is contra entry. Contra entry because why? Because cash deposited into bank. Cash to bank. Cash to bank. So it is contra entry. Just now we have seen the 4 methods of contra entry. See here, cash to bank account, bank to cash account, bank to bank account, cash to cash account. So here, what happens? See, cash deposit in SBI. So SBI, we have deposited the cash in SBI. So now we shall go, that is 20 lakhs. This is contra entry F4. See clearly here, F4. You have to click on this. Yes. So cash deposited. Cash deposited in SBI. Amount yes, 20 lakhs. Enter. Enter. Again, next entry is see payment salaries, payment of salaries paid. Simply very simple, very simple. Paid salaries. Paid salaries through bank, 35,000. So paid salaries through bank. So here, first payment, that is payment. So payment. So through bank. So through SBI. So what we have paid? Salaries and how much? 35,000. And being the salaries are paid through bank. And cash withdrawn from the bank for business purpose. So cash withdrawn, that is a receipt. No, contra entry. Contra entry. So this is cash received from bank, SBI. How much? 42,000. Am I right? Yes. 42. Enter. Oh. So now we shall see the reports. Escape. Yeah, this is see the reports. Balance sheet. Capital 25 lakhs. Profit and loss account 35,000. Current assets, that is. What are the current assets? Simply click on this. Closing stock, cash in hand, cash at bank. Okay, back. If you want to see the capital account, simply click on this capital account. And if you want to loan and liability, nil. You want to know the current liabilities, nil. So that you can see by clicking on this. So escape, sell sheet, capital account. See, this is not capital profit and loss account actually. So in this problem, we have not to sell any goods or services, and we have not purchased anything. Just we received the cash and deposited cash and withdrawn cash and paid salaries. That's all. We have not done any business. So the other aspects, other transactions are not here in this problem. See, stocks, no stock because we have not purchased. Ratio analysis. This is a ratio analysis. Current assets, current liabilities, and current assets, stock in hand, and the loans and current account plus net profit. Gross profit ratio, net profit ratio, operating cost ratio. This is like this. Yes. Okay. So in this problem, we have seen, clearly see. So we have seen the contra entries. Contra entries. This is also seen in two transactions. Okay. So what are they? See, cash deposited in bank account. So the entry is SBI account data to cash account. SBI account data to cash account. Because SBI bank is benefited. And cash is gone out from the firm. So should be credited. So SBI account data to cash account. In the same way, cash withdrawn from the bank for business purpose. Here, cash withdrawn. So here what? Cash to bank. Cash to bank. The entry is cash account data to bank account. Cash account data to bank account. That is 42,000. So we have entered all these things. Yes. So now we shall see the ledgers. What are the ledgers we have created? See, we have to ledger to this. If we click on this display, we can see the ledgers we have. So see, cash and profit and loss accounts are by default ledgers. Listen carefully. Cash and profit and loss accounts are by default ledgers in the tally. Don't forget it. And only we have created Anushka, salaries paid, and SBI account. Okay. If we want to change this one, for example, SBI saving account, if we would like to change it as SBI saving account, escape, should go to alter and should go to SBI account, and here SBI saving account. Yeah, saving account. Okay, so here okay, bank account. Yes, saved. If we also change all these details. Okay, if we want. Yes. Saved. See now saving here. What happened? It is changed as saving account. In this way, we can alter any account except cash and profit and loss account. So we can alter the ledgers, and also we can alter the inventory information, stock items. We want to alter stock items. What are stock items? Computers and laptops. So here, for example, laptops. We have two laptops. For example, HCL or Lenovo laptops. We have changed. Enter. See, here you see. Lenovo laptops. In this way, we can alter the ledgers, we can alter stock items, and the accounting vouchers. Yes, already we have entered the vouchers. Wanted to display them. Yes. So in this way, we can enter the details, including the Contra entries in the Tally software. In the next class, we shall see other complex transactions.